Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that ApeCoin is about to explode very soon because it was moving inside a very big and huge bullish fast pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 24 hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance of this very huge falling wedge pattern. And now the price is about to hit this very long-term resistance of exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. By the way, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart and watch the oscillator, then you can see that stochastic is so far not able to form another higher than previous high like the price line is doing here. You can see that the price line is forming higher than previous high, but stochastic is forming a lower high than previous high. At the same time, we have also received a bear cross as well by the stochastic from the overbought zone. You can see that on the daily time frame chart, stochastic has entered the overbought zone. And here we have received this bear cross, like this blue line has crossed down this orange line, the fast line, and that is a bearish signal. And this is, by the way, a bearish divergence on this daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also analyze this bearish divergence as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Radworks, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade signal, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of ApeCoin. And here on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that for the past several months, it is moving inside this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed between the resistance, this downtrend and resistance, and the support of the wedge. Therefore, I was telling you that first the price can break out this resistance, and after that, imminently, it can also break out the bigger resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And this was a quite similar move that we have seen here from the month of April 2023 up till the month of October 2023, when we found this downtrend and resistance within this bigger falling wedge pattern. And at the same time, you can see when it was dropped down here at the support, before that, the price and the oscillator was already entered the oversold zone, the stochastic oscillator on the 7 days time frame chart. And therefore, when the price line was dropped down at the support of the wedge, it imminently moved up from this support and broke out this smaller resistance, then also broke out the bigger resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well, but found another downtrend and resistance that was a quite similar resistance like the previous one. And from the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this resistance and the support of the wedge. And finally, we re-entered the wedge. And when it was dropped down here at the support of the wedge, you can see that again, stochastic was already moving in the oversold zone. And the stochastic turned bullish, and the price and followed the stochastic, the move of stochastic. And now it has broken out the resistance, this downtrend and resistance, and also this resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And now it is about to hit another very long-term resistance of the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21. And after breaking out the EMA 21, we will have another quite long-term resistance zone that starts from $1 and goes to $1.20. That had been previously breaking at this support zone here for a few weeks, and support zone here. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. You can see that we got rejection here, and now the price is about to hit this resistance once again. On the daily time frame chart, we have a bearish divergence signal flash as the price line is forming a higher than the previous high. If we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it is forming a lower high than previous high. Therefore, still there is a probability that the price line may retest the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern before the next move to the upside. And after a successful retest, the price line can continue this move to the upside. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signal for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.